A fresh new day. And full of promise.
Mama, it's morning.
Yes, my little one.
I smell something good.
That's your breakfast waiting.
I'm still sleepy, but hungry.
That's the best way to wake up.
I think so too.
This smell will wake them soon. I wonder who will come first today. Just the right heat. Perfect. Just like they love it.
Feels nice. I smell something. Food.
The curtains are dancing.
They're saying wake up.
Maybe we should.
Not yet.
Still dreaming. Play. Let them rest a little longer.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You've been up early.
For all of you. Breakfast is ready. I won't wait forever.
A perfect start.
With a perfect meal.
Today will be good.
I can feel it.
2, finally. Let's go see Mama. And breakfast. I'm coming. I'm first. Wait for me. No, I am.
Everything is ready. A perfect start for my family.
This looks perfect.
It's made with love.
You always know what I need.
And you always appreciate it. Warm and comforting. Just like home.
It wakes the soul.
That's the idea. Careful, it's warm.
Thank you, Mama.
It smells so
Good.
Eat slowly.
Good helpers, thank you. We want to help. Look, Papa, I did it.
You did perfectly. They'll wake any moment. I can feel it.
The land is calling. And I'm ready. Time to begin. A farmer's day never waits. Let's head out together.
Yay!
Time to check the fields today.
Yay!
Let's go. Let's enjoy the morning together.
All together, as always.
The sun is so bright.
Nourished by the sun and rain.
They're so shiny, Papa.
I want to help them grow too.
Not for long, Timmy.
Careful, little ones. Don't hurt the stalks. Enjoy every step.
Look at the birds.
This is what I call a perfect morning.
Papa, the wheat looks so golden.
Can we touch it?
Of course, my little farmers. Be
Now,
Like this, Papa?
perfect. That's how farmers work with care.
I'm a real farmer now.
These kernels? Perfect for tomorrow's grinding. I must call the harvester soon.
Moments like these, worth every effort.
Golden fields, golden hearts.
I love the sun.
There it is. The fields are glowing, just like I hoped. The air carries the scent of harvest. This is what hard work smells like. Even the birds came early today. Just don't take my share of the grains. So full, so ready. All this life, from seeds we planted with hope. Step by step, just like every season. Every effort leaves its mark. Sun's getting stronger, and it's gonna be a long day. But a good one. The stalks are tall, just the right golden hue. The land gives us everything. We must take care of it in return. Time to work. These fields will feed everyone.
My wheat. Hoo-hoo. It's finally ready. Look at how it shines. Every grain, full and strong.
This will feed my family and the whole village. This moment is everything. Thank you, land. Look at this. Every stalk ready, golden and strong, exactly as it should be. Yes, the grains are ripe, perfect for harvest. Time to begin. We'll harvest everything.
Home? They must be waiting.
Every detail, perfect. I've taken good care of you too. Not just the fields. This beauty is ready for a ride as well.
Let's wake you up. Been waiting for this.
Yes, that's the sound of adventure. Smooth. Just a little ride. Freedom and pride in every mile. Feel that wind. Can't get enough of this. Smooth ride. Just how I like it. Everything's moving, just like life. And today feels just right. Another village. Let's see what's here. Wow, that's one big harvester. Just what I need. This is it. Time to get things moving. Good morning. Morning. Ah, Billow, you're here early. Couldn't wait.
Just say when.
The wheat is perfect. We start today. Then let's not waste a moment. The wheat looks perfect this morning, ready for harvest. Indeed. Let's start with this section over here.
The light on the wheat is beautiful this evening, isn't it?
It truly is. Best time of day to start the harvest. Ready just in time for the harvest. This is the spot. Begin harvesting from this edge and work your way across the field.
Look at this harvest. It's perfect. Start right here by the gate and work your way east. Understood. We'll have it done by sunset. Seems like a good harvest this year. Go ahead. Yes, aiming for a smooth run.
The machine is calibrated and ready. This year's crop looks exceptional. Let the machine ease into it.
Every grain looks strong, just as I hoped.
Strong growth all the way through. No weak patches.
You set it up perfectly. I just guide the finish.
Look at that, like the field's glowing. It's the reward of patience. Adjusting now.
We've locked into a rhythm. And it's working beautifully.
Speed's increasing smoothly. Fields opening up fast now.
Halfway through.
And flawless so far.
That's a strong yield coming through. This patch grew the best.
Time to push through the rest. Let's finish strong.
That's a smooth shutdown. You handled it perfectly. Look at this, full and clean.
Wow.
That's the reward of good work. We unload near the storage shed. Flow is perfect. Not a single grain wasted. We did it together. And it couldn't have gone better. She worked well today. Strong and reliable.
It's a good day to finish strong.
We did something special today. Something worth remembering. Loads adjusting with the road. Turn handled, load is stable. Perfect control. Keep it like that.
There it is, home. Almost there now.
Slowing down for entry.
Easy now. Bring it in smoothly.
Machine's done for the day. You handled it beautifully.
It feels so quiet now.
The kind of quiet that means success.
Delivered safely, just as promised.
Perfect work. Not a single grain lost.
Time to wrap up the day and enjoy the results.
That's the last of it. Every grain delivered.
Perfect work. Not a single grain wasted.
It looks like a golden hill.
And it's ours.
Feel this. Pure gold.
So soft and full of life.
Best harvest yet, because we gave it our best.
That was smooth work. The best kind of work. We made it look easy. That's experience.
We love this. Best day ever.
And I love you all.
Our greatest treasure.
First sack filled. Many more to go.
It feels so rewarding.
It truly is. Next step, storage.
Let's keep it safe.
Careful handling now. Every grain matters. Stack them carefully. Strong and steady.
They look like pillars of success.
They are. This land is our life, and you honor it well.
You've done so much. We all have.
Let's head inside soon.
Yes.
Time to rest.
I don't want today to end. It was the best. Thank you for everything.
You're always welcome here. I'll return. We finally did it, Billy. The harvest is safe.
Yes, my love. We are truly blessed this season.
Another successful season. I am so relieved.
I am so proud of you, dear. The children are so happy.